What's good, guys? Producer Mykah here, and today I'm gonna be showing you guys how to make a guitar-inspired Afro beat, and I'm gonna be drawing inspiration from Young Jhon's track titled Tony Montana. Young Jhon dropped an amazing project. You guys should go check out that project. So without wasting time, guys, let's go right into our DAW and start working on this beat. We're just gonna be working on this Tony Montana by Young Jhon. That song is amazing and it has some nice guitar vibe. So I just want to show you guys how you can actually create something like that. So quickly, I'm just gonna play what I have here. Yeah, I'm just gonna send it to my mixer, add in some reverb, and just use some EQ just to, let's put the reverb before the, let's put the EQ before the reverb. Alright, so quickly I'm just gonna layer the chords, then from the chords I'm just gonna create the guitar melodies. Okay, so I'm just gonna play the chords. I'm just gonna get the key quickly, and I think the key, so on the key of A. So I'm just gonna build our chord. So let's create our first pattern and call this electric piano EP. So bring down the velocity. Let's go with, I think we're starting on an R2. Just create some nice chords. So I think I'm gonna go down an octave. So have. So then the next chord I'm just gonna put in is I think we'll go to our 4. Yeah, but I'm gonna drag. Let's go down our tempo. Sorry, I forgot to do that. So our tempo is 119. So I'm just gonna drag it to 119. So then we'll go to our 1. Go to our 1. Go to our 1. So we'll have something like this. Then we go to our, I think we go to our 5, which is our saw. So but something like this, and there's something like this. So this is just the chord. Nice, some nice. I love the chords. The chords is nice, guys. So let's just put it here with the vocals. Where I come from. Yeah, nice. So we're just gonna go next to just create, the guitar melody, which is the catchiest thing for me on this song. So I'm just gonna using I'm gonna use, let me just save this. I'm gonna be using Contacts, and I'm gonna be using the Sunburst electric guitar. So let's just drag that in. I'm gonna be using the melody. I'm just gonna be using my chord to just get my melody. The melodies I'm gonna be using, or the melody that was actually used. So let's see. So so I'm actually looking at the chords I already have for the whole song, which is from the electric piano. So I'm just gonna be following these shadow chords here to create the melody. So we're gonna start with so something like this. Let me turn on my metronome. I'm trying to remember what it sounds like. So something like, yeah, but then we have some nice, some nice passing. So let's I think I'll extend this. Yeah. So something like this, but I think that was like an electric guitar that was played. So something close to this. So then we go to, let's see, this is the part of the chord. So I'm just actually just trying to follow, these shadow chords that I'm seeing here. That's how you can just easily create melodies. Once you play your chords, just try to play around those notes in the chord, and trust me, you're gonna have a nice melody. Then we go to the next part. Yeah. I think there was a passing note here, something like this. Then I think yeah, so something like this, something close to this. So let's hear the whole vibe. Yeah, so nice. So I'm just gonna cut this and just create on that pattern and call this my melody. So I think that also started. So for the melody, this is what we have just for the melody. Yeah, so I'm just gonna send this to my mixer. But before then, let me just go to the guitar and just turn off the distortion. I don't really like the distortion. Let me just turn it off. So we have something like this. Let me increase. No, not this, just the distortion. So yeah, I'm just for this. Then I'm just gonna give it some. Yeah, I think I like it an octave higher. So we have this. And I think that's just basically what was played all through the whole song. But I'm also gonna layer it with some nice pad. I'm gonna be adding some nice pad. That pad in analog lab 4. So I'm just gonna go over to the chords. Go over to the chords, just copy it. Then let's go to the pad and just paste it over there. And analog lab 4. Paste it. So we have this. Sorry, not that. So then we go to this and yeah. Nice. So then next, I think we started with this shaker. So I'm just gonna go over to Splice and just get. Let me see if you can see my screen. I'm just gonna go over to Splice and just type in shakers and let me see. Yeah, I'm gonna go with this. So I'm gonna be in this shaker. I think it's close to. So I'm just gonna stretch it and let's stretch it and go with 4 bars. So I think the shaker started from this point. Let me check. I think that's not the muted I want. Let me see if I can. All right, so let me just see. Yeah, I think it's this. Yeah. Yeah, I think something like this. Yeah, so something like this. Drums, we start with our kick. So I'm just gonna drop a kick here at this point. Then just gonna drop some here, another one here, and another one here. Some. Yeah, I think it's something like this. But let me just go into and just increase the, increase the velocity of everything so we hear it at its maximum. So like this for our drums. Okay, then next the bass. So I'm just gonna, for the bass, I'm just gonna be using sub boom bass. And let's see sub boom bass, and I'm just gonna go with this initial preset. And if you have this sub boom bass, all you have to do is just to turn off the sequencer, so that it doesn't loop. Then let's create a bass. So yeah, I think start something like, yeah, like it. Yeah, I think so like that. So I think the guitar is kind of dragging a little bit. So what I'm gonna do, I'm just gonna select everything and just shift it a little bit. It's dragging. Yeah, so I think it's sounding nice. Then I'm just gonna add this just to solidify. Just turn it down a little bit. Yeah, so I'm just gonna also drag this. Let's see. Yeah, so something like this, guys. Simple and straightforward. Yep, so guys, you can see how very easy it is to make a guitar inspired Afro beat. Like I always say, it's actually very easy, and you can learn making beats by actually remaking other sounds. Trust me, that was how I learned how to be a better music producer. So you guys could adopt that. Like you could just go and pick the whole Young Jhon album now and decide to remake everything on it. And trust me, after that whole experience, you are definitely gonna be a better music producer. So if you're on the Patreon, you're gonna get access to this FLP where you could play around with it, do whatever you want with it. And I hope you guys got something from this. If you did, let me know in the comment section, and see you guys in the next video. Peace.